Yeah, now there's as adjourned the matter to the 14th of January. So we expect that between now and that time, all the other documents that we have asked for would have been given to us. So our expectation is that on the 3rd, 14th of January, we'll have the case management conference, and thereafter we'll commence the trial. So for now, there's nothing like Chairman Wontumi having been convicted. We haven't even started the trial. There was this social media communication indicating that Chairman Wontumi has been sentenced to something 15 years. It is not true. And you will attest to the fact that Chairman Wontumi is right here with us. And that we have not even commenced the trial. We have rather asked for further documents for us to be able to prepare our defense. And same have not been served on us yet as we speak. So as and when they serve us with the documents, we'll be ready for the case management conference. So it is never true that Chairman Wontumi has suffered any conviction. In any case, if they wanted to report correctly, what was in the media was his victory in a civil suit. That was a defamation suit, and came up to the Supreme Court, and he came out victorious. If you want to report correctly, that is the true state of affairs. In the criminal trials, we are yet to commence the trial. These are the
Gabra, Edeno court to say, Wakeka and Sembia Guni fee, and think a court to Emmanuel Unchano damages. High Court Chairman Wontumi Edibe. Omuko appeal or Court of Appeal Chairman Wontumi signed Ibe. And Omode call court to Kunini Aye Supreme Court Chairman Wontumi assign Din Kunim Ewo. And no mum and an air was anchored by 120. Send ya one nim no, Obi per se. Or yem mischief, no, I can't send beer, a man for yem shisham, Bembo beer, yem and shishan on the enya no cray, such a mount to me called to be a convicting or a sentencing on an agent.
Council of a percent, my excess, and maybe maybe we are about to be a camera.
Morning.
Chairman,
Actually,
Chairman, will be a lawyer about no Marcus. Why?
So we are here only for a mention. I'm not sure nothing much will happen because the judge may not sit today.
let's come back.
It is possible that we will take an adjournment. At the last adjournment date, the prosecution was supposed to file its witness statements and all discoveries. I'm sure that they still have some discoveries to file. We haven't been said though, but I believe whatever has not been filed as at the last agenda, it will be filed today. So we'll receive it and then we'll take a date for the conference management. the case management conference. So today, either we file as the other discoveries, or we continue to take a date for case management, or if they are ready, we are ready for case management. But I'm told that the judge is on vacation, so the court may not sit. So let's go to the courtroom and see if the case will be transferred to another court, or the relieving judge will come for us to continue. So we are ready to start the case. So it is for them to open their case. So when they are ready, we are also ready.
So, Council, how many cases do we have here?
Oh, today we have one case. This is Wontumi Akonta versus Republic versus Wontumi Akonta. This is where they are accusing Wontumi as having entered the Nemeri forest. This is where one of the accused persons has decided to rather become the witness of the prosecution on whatever terms, we don't know. We are yet to find out. When it comes to the board, then you will answer questions that will suggest that he has built a new relationship with the Attorney General, therefore joining the prosecution instead of being an accused person. So,
Council, yesterday we saw some news that Wontumi has won a defamation case.
There was a civil matter between Wontumi and Suegabra. In fact, Suegabra was the plaintiff in the matter. Wontumi won at the High Court. They appealed to the Court of Appeal, and they won again at the Court of Appeal. And the appellant came back to the Supreme Court. Even in the Supreme Court, Wontumi was victorious. So that is what we may be referring to. So he won at all levels up to the Supreme Court. And that is a civil matter. It's not one of the criminal cases we are handling.
Okay,
So what about the closing of
we are coming back on the 10th. We have filed an application for the court to defreeze the account. We received the affidavit of position a few days ago. We are looking at it, and we'll probably file a supplementary affidavit to depose to some of the issues they are raising in the affidavit. And then we'll come back on the time to do the argument. I'm very sure that at the time that we come, we will receive some attention from the court.
Thank you, Council.
We will take a look at this agreement.
Okay, Commander.
Hello.
And the relieving judge has adjourned the matter to the 14th of January. So we expect that between now and that time, all the other documents that we have asked for would have been given to us. So our expectation is that on the 3rd, 14th of January, we'll have the case management conference, and thereafter we'll commence the trial. So for now, there's nothing like Chairman Wontumi having been convicted. We haven't even started the trial. There was this social media communication indicating that Chairman Wontumi has been sentenced to something 15 years. It is not true. And you will attest to the fact that Chairman Wontumi is right here with us. And that we have not even commenced the trial. We have rather asked for further documents for us to be able to prepare our defense. And same have not been served on us yet, as we speak. So as and when they serve us with the documents, we'll be ready for the case management conference. So it is never true that Chairman Wontumi has suffered any conviction. In any case, if they wanted to report correctly, what was in the media was his victory in a civil suit. That was a defamation suit, and came up to the Supreme Court, and he came out victorious. If you want to report correctly, that is the true state of affairs. In the criminal trials, we are yet to commence the trial. These are the interlocutors before the trial proper. And like I'm saying, we have filed a motion for the prosecution to furnish us with some documents. And we have still not received service of such documents as we have asked for. When they are able to feed us with these documents, then that will be the basis of our defense. To go further to explain, in the witness statements of the witnesses, they are claiming that Wontumi assigned his interest in his concession to them without authorization from the minister. And we have said that we need to see any deed of assignment or deed of subcontract, if any, so that we rely on that to start appropriation for the defense. But we have not been served those documents. So when they serve us with what we have asked for by way of the deed of assignment or a sublease, then we will use that in appropriation. We are waiting for them. And the second case of the Numeri Forest, they indicated in court at the last agenda that they want to serve us further documents and further processes. So we are awaiting service of such further processes on documents or processes or documents. So we are still waiting. When we are served, we are ready to start the prosecution, the trial. When we are served, we will be ever ready to start the defense. So the major story is that there is no such conviction by any court in Ghana. So Wontumi is not a convict. Wontumi is a free man, and Wontumi is an accused person in 2 courts in Ghana right now. As and when the court calls us for continuation, like I say, we are ready, we will come. So this means that motion and misrepresentation that he has been convicted. It is only a court of law that can pronounce him guilty or otherwise, but we are still in the preparatory stages. We have not come to a point where any judge is invited to pronounce judgment on any of the matters. I thank you very much.
Counsel,
How many cases do you have?
In the criminal court, we have 2 cases so far. One in respect of Numeri Forest, and the other in respect of Wontumi concession at concession. The place of concession.
That was something.
In the Western region.
Western region.
Somewhere in the Western region. So the first one in court 4 is in respect of their claim of a transfer of interest in Samabwe land concession. The second one is their claim of Wontumi having authorized mining in Numeri Forest. So these are 2 cases pending currently before the courts.
But yenchire mfanko pim. Ye kan say ene ye ba na efa Numeri Forest ho no ewo no judge no ewo leave. Ena menu nti ya adjourned case no court na a case no call ho na adjourned e de ko 14th January. And the 14th January ye ba be ye case management. E was our case. And obi bisa ye say na case do sen e na wo court and a lawyer and the Appiah-Kubi achirem no say criminal cases no mienu na e pending. The war criminal court 4 no e Samna boy concession no ho nsema omaka say or the concession na mo bi akoye adwuma wo abreko a one minister in charge of Sahara lands and natural resources no amma no tumi eno eho ene wo court 4 no ena court 1 de ene number forest and the 2 criminal cases na pending na lawyer sanchirem say mo hu say enema bi kwa abonten bloggers bi e de atoto abonten say chema Wontumi kura ye dikan a sentence no e de no 15 years imprisonment sa asem no enyo no kra chairman de gina hoyi obia court bi eni Ghana wadi chema Wontumi asem a ode na tum 1 day kra. He's an accused person ya de kwadu abono Ghana constitution nemra wo Ghana ese oye innocent until say ye be proven the guilt until chema Wontumi obia court bia emfa no nkotum 1 day kra e wo Ghana na mom Gabra ede no court say wakeka nsem bia gu ne ho fi entinka court emma no untwa no damages high court chema Wontumi edibe omo appeal wo court of appeal chema Wontumi sign dibe ena omo de court kunini ni aye supreme court chema Wontumi asanya dinkunim ewo ho eno mom ena na ewo senke ba abontienti se ne amoamonim no no obi pese o ye mischief no akoka nsem bia amankrofo yam hihye omo bembo bia yam enhihye no na enye no kre se chema Wontumi court bia a convict no a sentence no ono na gina
council bacho e pese ewu my etia so emre bi
criminal court 1 eno ne ba ho ene ye ba ye nyanhu no ha de but send prosecution etie no so mo sabre de yenyan shase enti no yenhwe court no se e for enim send e besi
se de yenyan shase agisi aye case management na wi na ye hu ya na wi da isi enti mo me atwa ni bi wa
the youth organizer. The youth organizer. The youth organizer. Organizer.